After 3.5 years, almost 4 years of grinding, we finally hit 20K, boys. I'm so freaking excited. I know I mentioned it in the last video, but this is a much more fitting video. Today, we're gonna be installing coilovers, not just coilovers, but K-tune coilovers on the S2000. I think this is gonna be the touch that this car needs to really look good. So let's go pick these babies up. Woo. Oh my God. Hey. Here we go. So while I sit here and raise this strut a little bit, I want to talk to you guys about these coilovers really fast. First off, I'm really happy we hit 20K. That is huge, and I want to thank you guys for that. Next thing, these coilovers are awesome. From what I've heard, I've always wanted some K-tune coilovers, and now that I have them, I'm going to install them on the car at kind of a higher ride height. Like, it's not going to be slammed yet. Reason being, we're going into winter, and I'm winter driving this car. I just wanted it to be a little bit lower and handle better. Oh boy, let's see. Oh my goodness. Dude, what the F? Are you joking me? Are you joking me? Bruh. Oh my God, I did not expect it to be that low, dog. What is going on? We're going into winter and I'm winter driving this car. Really quick, I'd like to interrupt today's video to let you guys know that the merch, as you guys know, you motherfucker. Really quick, I'd like to interrupt today's video to let you guys know, as you already know, the merch is now live on www.drivewaysfromjackstands.com. Link in the description down below. You can find this t-shirt, you can find the Boosted John's Beans t-shirts. Use coupon code BEANS in all caps for free shipping. Only 5 people are gonna get that, so get it quick. All right, back to the video. I'm just gonna do what I'm not supposed to do and just pull this. Ow! It injured me. Ah, there we go. Yeet. Nice. Uh-oh.
What was that crunchy noise?
Do you see the rear?
Yeah, it's definitely lower than the front.
By a lot. I'm gonna raise the rear 1/2 inch and lower the front 1/2 inch, and I think it'll be perfect. All right, here we go. Here's the final ride height. I'm gonna bring the car out so you guys can get a better look, but dude, it is hella low from stock. Like, this is, it's not that dumped, but like, it's pretty damn low, especially going into winter. We're gonna see how we do. He needs help figuring out how to pee. Stop! Where's my beer?
Yeah, you haven't even drank one. You haven't even half
I need
one.
water, dude. I'm so thirsty.
We live in America, man, and not in Flint.
This is America. Drink all your tap water. Get brainwashed by the government. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, also you guys saw I got a new shift knob too. Just a nice clean like brushed metal.
Did you lower the lift all the way?
Huh?
Did you lower the lift all the way?
No.
So is your car gonna suddenly get more dumped?
Oh, I did lower the lift all the way.
Oh wow, that's how you know you're low, dude.
Well, this one came out.
I think it's just when you are sitting in the car. Oh, no, this side is definitely stuck.
Are you serious?
Yeah. John is officially low life.
You gotta jack your car up to get it off the lift?
Yes, that's exactly what you gotta
I'm low as hell.
do. Well, you realize that means you're gonna be lower than whatever this is.
Oh no!
Man, that lighting is so awesome.
Isn't that nice?
It's so nice.
Isn't that nice?
It's like a built-in vlog light.
Shout out to Last Fit, dude. That's what I told him in the last video. I was like, watch this, and I was like, I can vlog in here.
Compression. How about John's gonna be dead young? Yeah.
Yeah, shut the fuck up.
How dumped is John's car actually? Previously it was on the lift still. Ooh, wow.
Oh.
That's pretty dumped.
Uh-oh, is it too dumped? Oh, shit. Whoa, dude.
Wait, let me move them. Oh, okay. Here, get this shot and put it in at the teaser, alright?
Huh?
Put this shot in when you edit your video. Yeah, you're good.
I felt it. I feel some shit.
Already?
Yep. Running.
Are you serious?
What was that?
What?
Did you hear that?
No.
The ratchet, Caleb.
What?
I left a ratchet in there. How do I get it out?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wait. Where?
Right here.
Oh my god, John! Look at this, guys. John literally... You rubbed through my ratchet, man! Jesus Christ! You know, I might have blown my motor by putting the vacuum on wrong, but at least I didn't leave the ratchet on the nut of my suspension.
Take it easy. Gingham. Get it off, dude. There we go. Anything else? Any wrenches? Any otherwise?
Alright, that's it.
Yeah, we're good.
Look at that. Built-in vlog lighting. That is actually really nice. Oh. This is my first time of a ride on the exhaust too, actually. Sounds nice.
Definitely better than stock.
Doesn't sound like it's rubbing.
No, it doesn't seem to be rubbing at all, actually. We might be good at this, like, super slammed ride height.
I don't actually think it's that slammed. I think your tire's just kind of big, so it looks slammed.
That's possible. All right, you ready for some...
Oh, it's so much better with the exhaust. Holy shit.
That was like miles an hour around that corner.
Dude, that's why S2000s are so fun. He just went full throttle third gear around this corner.
That was sick, dude.
That was so fun.
Oh,
I was like, is he gonna let off? Is he gonna let off? Is he gonna let off? And
I was about to, and then I was like, nah.
reviews of the coilovers?
So far, so good. I mean, I'll know after I drive them for a little while. They don't feel much more aggressive than stock, which is actually awesome. Like, they drive pretty comfortably just from our little lap around the block. Definitely like a little bit less body roll, but I bet I could turn the damping up a lot.
Is this on the soft setting?
I don't know, probably.
Okay, probably, yeah.
But I'm gonna just leave it like this for now, see how it is, and if I need to adjust it later on, I will.
Oh, yeah.
I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna show you guys the car up close right now. I just gotta say that it's been a couple of days since you just saw that last clip of Caleb and I driving the car around. I wanted to get a feel for the car, wanted to get a feel for the coilovers, and I also wanted to let the suspension settle so that I could see what the true ride height's gonna be. This is it now, and it is very low. I'm really happy with how the suspension settled because the rear, it looks slightly lower than the front, but when you really look at the car, the entire car is level. And you'll see that a lot of S2000s for some reason have this look where the front is a lot lower and the rear is a lot higher, and I really don't like how that looks. So I'm okay with how it looks right now. This is actually my preferred like stance for the S2000 or ride height. So after this 5-6 days of driving with these coilovers, what do I think of them? I think they're fantastic. I have not turned the damping up at all yet. It's still, I believe, on the softest damping all around. And it's very comfortable. It doesn't bounce like a lot of coilovers do on their softest setting. There is a little bit more body roll than I think I would want from coilovers, but I think that it's just due to the damping right now. I think if I turn the damping up, it's gonna be perfect. So do I recommend K2 and K1 coilovers on an S2000? Yes, 100%. So far, they're borderline my favorite coilovers I've ever had.
There it is. And as you can see, it is very low. With the exhaust.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, the merch is live on www.drivewaysandjackstands.com. Link in the description. I currently have a deal running right now where the next 5 orders are gonna get free shipping using the code BEANS in all caps. So if you're someone who's been thinking about buying the merch but hasn't pulled the trigger yet, this one's for you. And that is all I have to say for today's video, boys. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, boys, remember, plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. And get ready for some ASMR hardcore in the next video.